Bookmarking is an effective tool to navigate directly to the course pages and resources you need to access quickly from your mobile device's home screen. In this video, we will demonstrate how you can bookmark any page in the course on an Apple or Android device. If you're using an Apple device, open Safari and navigate to the page you want to bookmark. After the course page loads, make sure you can see the navigation bar at the bottom of your device screen. Then select the share icon. Scroll through the list until you find Add to Home Screen, and then select it. Now, the Add to Home Screen menu should appear. Use this menu to name your home screen web icon anything you'd like using the on-screen keyboard. Then select Add Button in the top right corner. The icon for the website will appear on your home screen. Anytime you'd like to use it, just tap the icon as if it were a regular app. Safari will automatically open and load the website. If you're using an Android device, open Chrome and navigate to the page you want to bookmark. Select the menu button. It looks like 3 vertical periods. Scroll through the list until you find Add to Home Screen, and then select it. A menu titled Add to Home Screen should appear. Use this menu to name your bookmark using the on-screen keyboard. Once you're done, select the Add button in the bottom right corner of the box. You will receive verification the shortcut has been added to your home screen. Anytime you'd like to use it, just tap on the icon as if it were a regular app. Chrome will automatically open and load the page. Remember, bookmarks are a useful tool and should be used anytime you find a new skill or concept you think is important in your life.